Welcome to Globe Trekker's tutorial on how to install the Arctic Tern Overland windows and door. As with everything we sell as an OEM distributor, we ensure to complete an extensive search and research for the best quality and most longest-lasting products, balanced with affordability. Our goal is to deliver the best options in one convenient place where all products have been thoroughly vetted by our professionals and our engineers. It's a one-stop shop that you can place your trust to deliver compatibility and top-shelf quality, enhancing your overland expedition camping experience. At some point in time after the walls are up on your habitat and you are waiting for glue to dry, you can begin to mark out your door and window placements. Keep in mind that you will need to cut out your door panel before your rear panel or departure angle panel is ready for installation. Use masking tape and mark the locations of the cutouts. Then, add more masking tape to the right and left of each center line. This tape is to provide a clean surface to mark your cutouts and to prevent scratches when using a jigsaw to make your cuts. Before you mark the cutout areas, unpackage the provided window frames and expansion rings, along with your door. Thoroughly read the installation guides provided by Tern Overland. Using the cardboard packaging that comes with your door and windows, make templates using a square, T-square, straight edge, and tape measure. Confirm your window template sizes with the unpackaged window frames and expansion rings. Careful measurements will help you avoid costly mistakes. When marking the cutout for the door, start at the bottom edge. Ensure the gap that you choose between the aluminum panel extrusion and the cutout accommodates for the door kick panel molding to fit properly. Also ensure the door is installed perfectly vertical, checked by your carpenter's square. Check the fit of your template with the door, double check the placement location of the door, and mark the cutout area. Whether you are using a drill-mounted scribing tool or a simple scribing compass, you will need to make a mark at the center point of each corner arc of the door. The radius of the arc is 90 millimeters, approximately 3.54 inches. Be sure to read your installation guide provided with your door. When you are ready to make the first cut, whether that be with a jigsaw or a vibrating tool or something similar to these, you may have to drill a starter hole to begin. Ensure your blade is not bent and makes a straight cut through both sides of the panel. Move slowly with a little pressure when cutting arcs on the corners of the cutouts. Forcing the blade through the corners may tip the blade, which will give an unwanted canted cut. If you are using a saw that cannot cut all the way through in one pass, you will need to do the following. At the center point of each radius, drill a straight hole all the way through to the inside of the habitat. This will mark the location on the inside where to use the arc scribing tool. Use masking tape to mark out where to make your cuts. Use the cardboard door template and mark the inside of the habitat. Continue cutting the inside of the door opening until the door cutout can be removed. Use spray expanding foam to seal off any internal wall aluminum extrusions. When the habitat is fully assembled, use the same process to locate the window cutout locations, mark the locations with masking tape, create cardboard templates, transfer the templates to the habitat, and cut out the openings.
Save these in case you want to make a pass-through or do any kind of other smaller walls. You can save these and recycle them.
Fill any open wall extrusions with spray expanding foam. Trim off any excess foam after it is cured with a sharp knife. Then, test fit each opening with the corresponding window frame.
Perfect fit, like a glove.
If you have to trim off any slight error in cutting the opening, now is the time to do it. Afterwards, begin to remove the masking tape and protective film, both on the outside and inside of the habitat. Install each window per the instructions guide that comes with the windows you are using. Test each facet of the window for functionality. For Tern Overland windows, ensure the gasket is compressed against the outside of the habitat to properly seal it from the elements. The Globe Trekker panel has been compression calculated and will not compress like squishy, less effective foam will, thus preventing future leaks and the need to use caulking to seal the windows. Congratulations, you have completed the Globe Trekker door and window cutout and installation tutorial. To take full advantage of our products, additional tutorials, our how-to assemble videos, and educational videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website at www.rvglobetrekker.com. Until next time, be safe in your overland expedition adventures, and God bless.